Okay, hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian, helping you increase your English, expand your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman. Let's get started looking at adverbs of time. So adverbs of time are used to give us more information about when something happened. Recently, yesterday, just now, ongoing, yeah. They can refer to an ongoing event or action. When something happened. So look, just and about to. It gives more information. I am just going to read my book. Just going to read my book. Just plenty of time. Just going to read the book. Nothing else. I'm about to. You're going to start doing something. I'm about to. What? Uh, I'm about to have a Chinese lesson in about 2 hours. Learn some more Chinese. You're learning English. I'm learning Chinese. Jessica has just arrived at the station. Just now. Like a minute or two ago. Just now. Just. Something happened very recently. Very recently. Just now. I am about to fly to Mexico. Will happen soon. I'm about to have a Chinese lesson. I'm about to I'm about to have more English lessons teaching this week, and then I will just recently. I've just had breakfast. Num num num. Very important. Yeah. I've just rang the office and spoke to her. I just rang and there's no one there. I just rang. I am about to go to the Lake District. It's going to happen just now. I'm about to go. She is about to come to my place. Soon she'll be here. She is about to come here. She is about to arrive at the bus station. She's about to arrive at the train station. We just had a party. We had a party last night. We just had one. Just now. We had one just now. Just now. Yeah. Already and yet. Already, when something has happened sooner than expected. I had 2 lessons for Chinese already earlier today. I've already had 2, and I got 2 more. I actually got 4 more. I've already done a video about nouns and adjectives and pronouns and adverbs and time and other things like that. I am just about to record way more videos for English for this YouTube channel. I've got way more ideas. Yeah, I'm about to very soon. Yeah. And yet means until now, as it will happen in the future. The film has already started. Already started. We might miss the start. It started earlier. It started like 10 minutes ago. It's already started. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. The bus has not left without us just yet. That was yet. It's going to happen. It will happen, with or without us. It's inevitable. We got to the station, and the bus had not left yet. In fact, the bus had not arrived yet. We had like 2 minutes to spare. Whoa, we were pushing it. I've already arrived in Spain. Where are you? I'm in Spain. I already arrived. I arrived 2 hours ago. I understand. She has not read the book yet. Not yet. But she will do in the future. In the future she will. Yeah. The pizzas are already waiting for us. The pizzas. Num num. I've already spoken to the prisoner, and he will be released Not yet, but it'll be released next year. Yet the prize has not been claimed. Yet there's a competition going off. Yet the prize has not been claimed. Not yet. Not been claimed. Yeah. Still means an action or situation is ongoing. Something's happening still. I'm still waiting for the answer. I'm still waiting for the reply. I'm still waiting for the phone call. Where is it? I'm still waiting for my lessons to start, so I thought I'd record some videos to get the ball rolling. Is she still waiting for us? Is she still waiting? Still? Wow, patient. I am still recording videos after all this time. Yeah. 1 video a day for so long, and I'm still uploading videos constantly. Definitely. Definitely. And I have still got ideas for videos like this. I've still got ideas. Yeah. I've still got patience and momentum. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. So that's nice, isn't it? Already something happened, yet will happen in the future. Still waiting for it. And just and about to. Just something happened and about to happen very recently. I am about to fly to Spain in November, December. I have just spoken to the woman. I've just spoken to the guards. They're quite kind, quite nice. Yeah. But if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, you know, and speak like a native Englishman by increasing your confidence, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.